Okay, and we're back again, and this is another glimpse into an example that we've already worked one time. This is Chapter 6, Section 1, Example 6-2 on page 318. And here we were finding the right area, or, well, the area underneath the standard normal distribution curve to the right of, and then whatever that z value is. So here we're finding the right area at z equals negative 1.24. So as you can see, the first thing that we did was we shaded in the picture. And then we had to recall the procedure. We had to look up the left area. That's what we get out of the table, right? Then we had to remember the whole area is 1. 1 minus the left area, that's how we get the right area, right? So that was the strict, proper, by the book procedure. Here's the quick shortcut. Watch. All right. So we want the right area, the area to the right of z equals negative 1.24. And we know that the standard normal distribution curve is symmetric. It means if we took this and flipped it around, it would be the exact same. So here, I'm just going to sketch this picture. This is all behind the scenes. This is just what we are thinking about. We do not have to write any of this down, okay? Just kind of speeds things up a little bit, right? So there's our distribution curve, and I'm going to draw the same area just in a different shape. Okay, so there's positive 1.24 for our z-score. It's on the right side of 0. And instead of shading the right of positive 1.24, I'm going to shade to the left. And so notice now, basically, we've got just a mirror image of one another. But these areas should be the same. And so, let's see, do we have to do any of this? No, we can just draw our original picture, but then just remind ourselves, okay, just plug in the opposite z value and look up the left area, and that will be the same as the right area of that original z value. Okay, so here's what I'm saying. I'm saying that this right area, 0.8925, is going to be the exact same value that we look up when we put in positive 1.24 for our z value. So let's prove it. Here is the positive z-score side. Here is row 1.2, and here is 0.04. And you can see there, maybe I'll zoom in a little bit more. No, it's not going to do it. Well, maybe you can zoom in really far on this video and see that. And that says, my friends, 0.8925 exact. So here we can look up the left area immediately. The right area, we have to do some funny business and we have to do some subtraction. And that can be hard. So the quick and dirty shortcut is you plug in the opposite z value and look up the left area, and that's the corresponding right area from the original one. All right, so let's move on to the next exercise on the next video.